Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add an eye glowing effects to your video using the CapCut video effect. So here, what you need to do is just import the clip with a person on it, and then to easily add the glowing eye effect, you just need to go to the video, the body effects on CapCut, and then here find the superpowers category. So there is no glowing eye effect, but you can always use this eye reflection to make your eye glow. Click on that, and you can see now the eye will glowing just like that. And if you want to change the color, just adjust and swipe to the right or left to change the color. Okay, I'm going to use this colors right here. Now we can just click on a check icon and apply it to the entire clips. So this will be the result, and that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.